Feel better?
My urine.
Gotta eat some more of your mom.
I'm going to. Okay, I just got in the car.
I know.
And the bitches in there looking at me because I'm cussing. I say, First Amendment, mother... Right?
Right. So right.
What am I about to take?
Your pain medicine and your antibiotics and your anti-nausea.
Nausea.
So you don't throw up?
I do. I'm throwing up on the woman that got me a vanilla shake and not chocolate.
Sorry. The next one will be chocolate.
You ain't getting the next one.
Okay.
Look. That's my friend. You know it?
Yeah.
That's my friend.
I know.
Did you see my friend?
Mm-hmm.
Did you?
Yeah. Is that the one that's coming over to the house?
No, she can't come over.
Oh.
That's my friend.
Oh, the one that got into the wreck?
She can't come over.
What?
Don't put your finger in your mouth.